In this video, I'm going to show you how to see who viewed your TikTok videos. That is quite simple and easy to do, guys, so let's begin. And first go to App Store and in the search enter TikTok, and there make sure that you have updated your TikTok to the latest version, because that is a quite new TikTok feature. So once your TikTok app is up to date, just hit at open to open it up, and now tap at profile icon. Next, here tap at menu icon and select settings and privacy. Then go into privacy and scroll down to the very bottom where it is post views feature. You can hit on that and enable this feature. When this feature is enabled, it allows people you follow to see that you viewed their post and to see which followers viewed yours. Post view history will be available for 7 days from the post date. That's how it works, guys. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.